trillion-dollar club getting a new member today. Nvidia becoming the first ever chip stock to reach that milestone. An astounding run for a stock that has just simply soared.
As newcomers to the trillion-dollar club like Nvidia, as you mentioned, they power that new AI revolution.
Guys, Nvidia is blowing up. Over the past 6 months, it's up over 80%. So if you're trying to make some money in the market, you better listen up, subscribe with notification bell on, because I'm about to make you stupid rich. Nvidia's Omniverse is a game changer in the world of software platforms. It's transforming the way we create and collaborate on 3D simulations and visualizations. With its cutting-edge technology, Omniverse allows designers, engineers, and professionals to seamlessly integrate their workflows and data into a shared virtual environment. The possibilities for industries like architecture, engineering, and entertainment are simply mind-boggling. And this is the reason that I'm going to be buying 1,000 shares of Nvidia, and I'm going to be holding this stock long term because I truly believe if you're in a company like this, you can see some massive growth ahead. I mean, we also know that companies like Amazon and Tesla were fantastic buys and they went up so much, but had you bought the stock at a peak, well, you didn't actually have the best of returns. So it's very important to understand technical and fundamental analysis and exactly where we should be buying this stock. Nvidia's Omniverse is indeed a groundbreaking software platform that has the potential to revolutionize various industries, making Nvidia stock an attractive investment option.
All right, check it out.
Hi there, my name is Jacob Norris, and I'm a 3D environment artist working in games and films. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about Nvidia Omniverse. So let's first go over what exactly is Omniverse. For those of you unfamiliar with it, Omniverse is an entire suite of different tools for you to use. It's not just one piece of software. Omniverse helps you connect different apps together, basically. You can collaborate with large teams and work with USD file types or the Universal Scene Descriptor format, which we'll go into more later, and help you to create visually stunning computer graphics, simulations, and entirely new worlds. Let's take a look at exactly what all those fancy words mean to you as an artist. So let's break down what are some of the different apps available to you within Omniverse. We can use Omniverse Create, and Create is available to stage scenes for environments.
Absolutely insane, especially for video games. Like, I wish I had this when I was growing up.
Characters and animations, basically to allow you to make beautiful renders in the software, final images, videos, cinematics, whatever you'd like. There's also Omniverse Machinima, which can help you put together cinematics in no time. There's some videos up on the NVIDIA website for that, going over just exactly how you can use some of that software for Machinima, and a really cool example of putting together a short cinematic in about an hour or so. There's also Audio to Face, which is an AI facial animation tool that helps you convert simple sound clips into awesome animations for your characters' faces. It tries to take things into consideration like the emotion or the inflection that people are using to say the words, even what I'm saying right now, or a beautifully crafted script that you're going to be using for your cinematic, and converts it all into animation that's used directly on the camera.
Just imagine the type of differences it's going to have on content creation, entertainment. This is going to completely revolutionize those industries.
Character's face and just does all the work for you. It's really cool. Besides some of the apps you can use, there's still more even than that, but those are some good examples I wanted to talk about. There's a lot of connectors as well that can help you live link programs together. So you can live link Omniverse with programs like Maya, 3ds Max, Unreal Engine, Blender, and more directly into Omniverse. It helps you to work faster and more efficiently by linking all of your favorite software together in real time. So what this means exactly is if you were to connect something like Blender with Omniverse, you can actually work on your model and see it update in Omniverse as you're creating it and working on it. So this way you don't have to open your entire scene. You can just open up a single model that you want to make edits to and see the results of it happening inside of Omniverse, inside of the scene, all in real time. No more dealing with exporting the model from whatever engine or rendering software you're using, importing them into your software to edit them, make updates, re-export it, etc., until you get it back in and set up the way you want.
Again, it's all about efficiencies. Companies know this, and that's why they're going to invest in software like this, because when they can save time, they can make more money and or pay less to their employees because they're more efficient, sadly, if that's the case.
Actually see the changes within the scene, all within this USD file format. And we'll talk more about USD in the next video, since it's definitely a really interesting scene file that can be used and helps in so many ways. Like, yeah, I don't want to give too much away because there's going to be a lot to talk about in that. So let's hold off on that for the next video. But I would say the best way to really understand the true power of what Omniverse can offer you is just go download it. Go check it out. You can grab the launcher right off the NVIDIA website. grab any of the apps I was mentioning or any of the other ones that look interesting to you. Open them up, try them out, and there's even some example scenes provided to you in the developers resources page, as well as a few other places on the NVIDIA Omniverse website. Hopefully we were able to answer some of the questions for you about what Omniverse is, and that we'll be able to answer even more in the next videos and get you excited about this amazing suite of tools at your disposal. Thanks for watching.
Here are some reasons why Nvidia stock is considered a buy due to the impact of Nvidia's Omniverse. Starting with number 1, enhanced collaboration. Omniverse enables real-time collaboration amongst designers, engineers, and professionals across different disciplines. It allows multiple users to work together in a shared virtual environment, making it easier to communicate, iterate, and make decisions collectively. This collaborative approach increases productivity and efficiency, leading to faster project completion and cost savings. Now, trust me, collaboration is super important because at all of these big companies, they are super inefficient. After college, I got a job for IBM and I had so many meetings. Do you guys ever have those? So enhancing collaboration is going to save companies a lot of money, and these big companies understand this, and Nvidia is going to be helping them with it. Number 2, seamless integration. With Omniverse, users can seamlessly integrate different software tools, file formats, and workflows into a unified platform. This integration eliminates the need for complex and time-consuming data conversions and enables smooth interoperability between various design and simulation software. As a result, professionals can work more efficiently, reducing potential bottlenecks and improving overall productivity. And productivity is money, and money means that Nvidia is also going to be going up because they're going to be making good revenue. Now, it's not all about revenue because, as we will talk about later, Nvidia is not necessarily cheap, but it is about future growth. The number 3 thing that I want to talk about is realistic 3D simulations and visualizations. Omniverse's advanced rendering capabilities and real-time physics simulations allows for highly realistic and immersive 3D simulations and visualizations. This is particularly beneficial for industries such as architecture, engineering, and entertainment. I mean, who doesn't like some entertainment, right? Well, in entertainment, it requires accurate and detailed representations, and this is very crucial. Architects can visualize and explore their designs in real time. Engineers can simulate and analyze complex systems, and entertainment professionals can create lifelike virtual worlds. These capabilities unlock new creative possibilities and enhance decision-making processes. Now, guys, I actually have a degree in finance and decision-making / data science from Drexel University. And let me tell you, decision-making systems are super important, and this is the future because our companies, the big companies in the United States, have so much data and they have absolutely no idea what to do with it. But they do know that with data, they can make better data-driven decisions, which is gonna make them more money. And that's all we want, right? We want more money. Companies wanna maximize their profits. So they are going to be investing in software, and Nvidia is going to be helping them. Plus, not to mention, so many of these companies are going to be hiring data professionals, data analysts, data scientists. But these data analysts and data scientists still have to use software, and this is exactly why Nvidia stock is going to be going up in the future, in my opinion. Now, number 4, cost and time savings. By leveraging Omniverse, companies can streamline their design and development processes, resulting in significant cost and time savings. The collaborative nature of the platform reduces the need for physical prototyping and expensive travel for in-person meetings. I used to be a consultant for IBM out of college. I took the job because it paid pretty well and I felt like I had enough finance knowledge. And let me tell you, I did a bunch of traveling for IBM. For example, I would go out to clients for North Carolina, New York, and all over the place. And let me tell you one thing. If Nvidia can save companies from in-person meetings, this is going to be worth multiple, and I mean probably dozens of billions of dollars. Because, you know, for me, I had to travel every single week. I would have to either leave on Sunday night or Monday morning, and I would take a flight. So for example, a flight would be like $400, and then I would stay in a hotel, probably like a Marriott or something like that. And that could be, you know, a couple $100 a night. So that's another $1,000. So $1,400 these consulting companies can save. You know, think Deloitte, Ernst & Young, and, you know, McKinsey, IBM. And there's plenty more that could be saving tons of money if all of their meetings were in person. AKA Nvidia is about to change the landscape completely. And by the way, I used to stay in New York as well, and sometimes those hotels can go for $400 or $500 per night. So yes, lots of New York companies will definitely hop on this trend. Now, number 5, market potential. The potential market for Omniverse is very vast, as it caters to a wide range of industries beyond architecture, engineering, and entertainment. Fields such as automotive design, productive manufacturing, virtual reality, and augmented reality can all benefit from Omniverse capabilities. Nvidia's strong reputation in the GPU, or the graphic processing unit market, and its partnerships with major industry players position the company well to capture a significant share of this expanding market. And this is why buying Nvidia stock makes a lot of sense for me, and I'm about to buy 1,000 shares in my portfolio. Now notice, 1,000 shares is a lot for most people, but for me, it is not the end of the world. Now for me, I still have plenty of capital to invest in other companies, so I'm not going all in on Nvidia. But I am going to be investing in Nvidia because I think it's a phenomenal growth stock. But we also need to discuss their enterprise hardware ecosystem. Nvidia's enterprise hardware ecosystem is an impressive suite of high-performance computing solutions that are revolutionizing various industries, from the powerful Nvidia DGX system to the optimized A100 Tensor Core GPUs. And with the support of Nvidia's Mellanox networking solutions, businesses can now process and analyze massive amounts of data in real time. This means faster insights and better decision-making across sectors like healthcare, finance, and scientific research. And then there is, of course, relationship with Tesla and autonomous vehicle technology. This is what people like Cathie Wood and other big celebrity investors were ultra bullish on. Now, Nvidia's investment in autonomous vehicle technology through the Drive platform is a testament to their vision. With self-driving cars on the horizon, Nvidia's AI and computing power are leading the charge in transforming transportation and logistics. This technological shift represents a massive opportunity for growth and opens up a whole new world of possibilities. And then there's something I got a degree in analytics, and Nvidia is going to smash and completely dominate analytics market because they have so many tools for software engineers, for data scientists, and companies are investing in this space right now. Just like the internet revolutionized information access, Nvidia's AI and high-performance computing innovations are set to reshape how we process and analyze data. Data has a lot to do with AI. Data has a lot to do with efficiency. Data has a lot to do with decision-making, and every single company has a lot to do with their data, and they're definitely not doing enough. And management, CEOs, MBAs, everybody is aware of this problem, and it's going to be filled in the next 5 years. Nvidia's advanced hardware solutions and software platforms are empowering businesses to tackle complex challenges with unprecedented speed and efficiency. From healthcare research to revolutionizing design and construction, Nvidia's technologies are unlocking new frontiers of innovation and discovery. Now let's take a closer look at the investment potential. While Nvidia's valuation may appear high with a price to earnings ratio of 161 and a price to sales ratio of 26, the long-term prospects are still promising. Finally, Wall Street analysts are bullish on Nvidia Corporation growth prospects, particularly in relation to generative AI growth driver. They have highlighted the company's dominance in the nascent generative AI large language model market and its massive total addressable market numbers. Analyst sentiment has become much more favorable in recent months, with an increase in the consensus of Q1 fiscal year 2024 normalized EPS estimate for Nvidia Corporation and a rise in the average sell-side analyst rating for Nvidia. I want to know, would you rather have a company that's growing fast for an expensive price or a company that is stalling or even declining for a cheap price? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Invest safe.